It's election time, Killeen. It's time to get out there and make sure your voice is heard, because your voice matters and your vote matters more than you know, especially in local elections like this when we're voting on things like mayor and city council and school board. And these are the people that will shape our city. And listen to what you have to say. Listen to how you want to improve our city, your complaints, all of the things that you say on Facebook. You can tell them right here to these elected officials that you vote for this May. And these are the things that impact our lives every single day here in Killeen. Voting can be a little bit daunting. I'm not going to lie to you. They didn't teach us nothing about voting and taxes in school. I still don't use Pythagorean theorem. I don't know. But let's get started voting. So what's the first step? Is making sure that we are registered and registered at the correct address. First things first, I love me a little Google action. Who doesn't love a little Google action? It's a great place to start anytime you want to figure something out. I'm going to ask Google, how do I check my voter registration status? First thing that pops up for me, probably for you too, is going to be KilleenTexas.gov. That's a great site to use. So it's got some options for selection criteria, like your voter ID if you've got that, your name, county, date of birth, your driver's license, date of birth. I'm going to do that because I know my driver's license number because I'm a very responsible adult. And y'all mind your business. This is my private information. All right, so it says that my registration is active. I am registered here in Bell County. I am good to go. So let's say you're not registered to vote just yet, and that's okay because you've got time. The deadline for the May 7th election is April 7th. So if you want to vote in that May 7th election, you have got to make sure you are registered by April 7th, you guys. I'm going to click on Start a New Voter Registration Application here. Are you a United States citizen? Yes. Will you be age 18 on the day before election day? And then it has some information here for you to fill out. Are you interested in being an election worker? Your name, your social security number, your address, your mailing address. You submit all of that, all the information that you filled out here. Your responsibility then is to make sure you sign that card and send it back. You can go back to that site we were on before to check your voter status. And make sure that you are registered by April 7th.